Hi, this is Steve and welcome back to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. This is part 4 and today we're talking about lead capture pages. So let's start with the basics before we look at a few examples and talk about what a lead capture page is. We've already touched on this in the previous video, but the purpose of a lead capture page is to contain a form that will collect a person's name and email address and add it to your autoresponder. When a person does that, when they enter their name and email into the form, they'll then be redirected to your offer, which could be a business opportunity, a product, service, literally anything you wish. So now let's look at some examples of lead capture pages. Here's a very basic, simple lead capture page. It's got a few words on here that make intrigue in a person's mind. The 3-step formula to a successful lifestyle business. That sounds interesting. I wonder what this is about. Discover my never before shared formula for building a business that pays you to do what you love while having fun in the process. You notice that this doesn't say anything about what is the other side of the person's subscription. And that is the whole point of a lead capture page. It is to create intrigue. It is not to sell the product. Let's look at another one. Here's one that more appeals perhaps to money making. Work from the beach. Discover how thousands of people just like you are living their dreams right now. It's easier than you think. Can you see how powerful that is and why I might want to enter my email here to see this video and find out what it's all about? But on this page, on this opt-in page, once again, on this lead capture page, it says nothing about what I'll find when I am watching that video and what it's about. And that is, again, the purpose of a lead capture page. Here's another great example. It's a bit more blunt and to the point because it says make money online. How to make money online. So look at these hot words that are used here. Make money online, free, fast and easy. They're the words that many people appeal to many people. That'll make you more likely to enter your name and email to find out how this works and how you could be earning $500 online and break into internet marketing. So here's a great capture form here where people will enter their name and email and again have no idea what they're going to find when they actually do that. So they'll discover what it is then that you are actually marketing. Let's look at a really bad example of what many people think would be a lead capture page. And people think this would be a lead capture page simply because down there at the bottom there's details being collected. The first name, the last name, the email, and indeed the phone number on this particular sales page, because that's what this is. This is not a lead capture page. What this is a sales page that also contains a lead capture form. And this is about as bad as it gets because it tells you everything about what's available to you here before you need to enter your email address. That's not a capture form, it's a sales page. Here I can see this is a business opportunity that is about coffee, and if you happen to know that that's the OrganoGold logo, you'd know that this is OrganoGold as well. So there's no need for me to enter my details here. I already know what this is about. And the whole purpose of a lead capture page is to get the name and email address on your autoresponder. So look how the previous 3 that I showed you would work with any business opportunity, product or service. Here's that first one I showed you. A person enter their details here and they can go to your offer, business opportunity, product, service, anything at all. They can do exactly the same with this and exactly the same with this. Now you could use all 3 forms. You could have 3 separate pages here, 3 separate capture pages, all going to the same offer. And that is the way lead capture pages work and build your mailing list. So always remember that a lead capture page is not a sales page and should not reveal details about your opportunity, product or service. The only job of a lead capture page is to get a new subscriber onto your mailing list. It really is that simple. So keep it simple, please. Now, in the next video of this series, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, we'll reach part 5. And I'll talk to you about something to sell to get you up and running fast and making money quickly. That's coming up in part 5. If you've not subscribed to the channel yet and you're appreciating this content, it'll be great if you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you'll know when I post the next video. Hopefully you've enjoyed this, and thank you very much for watching.